Listen up, because what I'm about to share with you is going to sound absolutely ridiculous at first. You're going to think I've lost my mind. But stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to show you how a simple dog walk turned into my most profitable business decision ever. And no, I'm not talking about picking up dog poop for money, though honestly, that might be more believable than what actually happened. My name's on the Air Profit Creators channel, and 3 months ago, I was just another person walking my golden retriever Max around the neighborhood, scrolling through my phone like a zombie, probably watching cat videos and pretending to check important emails. Fast forward to today, and those same dog walks have generated over $30,000 in revenue. Yeah, you heard that right. 30 grand. From walking my dog. Now before you start thinking this is some get-rich-quick scheme involving selling dog photos to lonely millionaires, let me break down exactly what happened and how you can replicate this system starting today. Because here's the thing nobody talks about in the online business world: the best opportunities hide in the most mundane moments of our lives. The revelation hit me on a Tuesday morning when Max was doing his usual sniffing routine around Mrs. Johnson's rose bushes. I was mindlessly scrolling through social media when I noticed something interesting. Every single person I passed was staring at their phone, completely disconnected from their surroundings. Dog walkers, joggers, parents pushing strollers, everyone was in their own digital bubble. That's when the light bulb moment struck. What if instead of consuming content during these walks, I started creating it? But not just any content. What if I could turn my daily dog walks into a content creation goldmine that actually generated serious income? Here's where most people would think about starting a dog walking blog or becoming a pet influencer. That's not what I did. Instead, I discovered something far more profitable that most people completely overlook. I started documenting my neighborhood from a business perspective. Every house I passed, every business I saw, every for sale sign, every construction project, every small detail that others ignored became potential content for multiple income streams. And the best part? My phone was already in my hand, Max was already getting his exercise, and I was already spending this time anyway. Let me walk you through the exact system I developed, because this isn't just about making content. This is about creating a multi-layered income approach that works whether you have 10 followers or 10,000. The first income stream came from something called hyperlocal content creation. While walking Max, I started recording short videos about neighborhood changes, new businesses opening, interesting architecture, seasonal changes, and community events. Nothing fancy, just authentic observations from someone who actually lives in the area. I uploaded these videos to multiple platforms simultaneously: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, even LinkedIn for the business-focused content. The key was consistency and authenticity. Every single day, rain or shine, Max and I would capture something interesting from our walk. Within 2 weeks, local businesses started reaching out. They wanted to know if I'd feature their storefronts, review their services, or create promotional content. Suddenly, I was earning anywhere from $50 to $500 per sponsored post, just for mentioning businesses I was already walking past. But that was just the beginning. The second income stream emerged when I realized I was sitting on a goldmine of local market intelligence. Every day, I was observing property values, neighborhood trends, business foot traffic, and community developments. This information was incredibly valuable to certain audiences. I started creating weekly neighborhood market reports, packaging my observations into valuable content for real estate investors, local business owners, and people considering moving to the area. These reports became a subscription service that now generates over $2,000 monthly from just 47 subscribers paying $50 each. The third income stream was the real game changer. As my local following grew, I discovered that many followers wanted personalized advice about the neighborhoods I covered. They'd ask questions like, is Maple Street a good place to buy? Or what's the best route for evening walks? Or which local businesses are worth visiting? I monetized this demand by offering personalized neighborhood consultation calls at $75 per hour. People moving to the area, real estate agents, local business owners, and even other content creators wanted insider knowledge about the neighborhoods I'd been documenting. Some weeks, I'm booked for 20 hours of consultations. Here's where it gets really interesting. The fourth income stream came from an unexpected source: other aspiring content creators who wanted to replicate my success in their own neighborhoods. They started asking for guidance on equipment, content strategies, monetization techniques, and audience building. This demand led me to create a comprehensive course called The Dog Walker's Guide to Local Content Empire. The course covers everything from choosing the right walking routes for maximum content potential to building relationships with local businesses to scaling your operation across multiple neighborhoods. The course launched at $297, and I've sold over 80 copies without any paid advertising. Just from organic reach generated during my daily walks with Max. Students are seeing results within their first month, with many reporting their first sponsored content deals within weeks of implementation. But wait, there's more. The fifth income stream developed when local businesses started approaching me not just for individual posts, but for ongoing content partnerships. I now have monthly retainer agreements with 6 local businesses, ranging from $300 to $1,500 per month, where I create regular content featuring their services throughout my walks. The beauty of this system is its scalability. As my audience grew, I started documenting walks in neighboring areas, expanding my coverage zone and multiplying my opportunities. I recruited other dog walkers to create content for different neighborhoods, taking a percentage of their earnings while providing them with my proven system. Now here's the crucial part that makes this actually work long term. This isn't about gaming algorithms or chasing viral moments. It's about becoming a genuine local authority, building real relationships, and providing authentic value to your community. The money follows naturally when you focus on serving others. The technical setup is simpler than you might think. You need a decent smartphone, a basic gimbal for smooth footage, a portable microphone for clear audio, and consistency. I use free editing apps for quick content creation and basic scheduling tools to maintain regular posting across platforms. Most importantly, you need to think beyond just dog walking. This system works for any regular routine, daily jogs, school pickup routes, commute paths, shopping trips, or neighborhood bike rides. The key is consistency, authenticity, and recognizing the value in ordinary moments. Starting today, grab your phone on your next routine outing. Document 3 interesting observations. Post them with relevant hashtags and location tags. Engage genuinely with anyone who comments. Repeat daily for 30 days, and watch what happens. Your dog walk isn't just exercise anymore. It's market research. It's content creation. It's community building. It's relationship development. And yes, it's a legitimate path to financial freedom that most people walk right past every single day. If you're ready to transform your daily routines into income streams, hit that subscribe button and check out my complete course linked below. Your future self will thank you, and so will your dog.